What's up, Epic UTVers? Justin Veek back here with another update for you. So today, we're gonna do a little unboxing video. We got the DJI OM 5. It's one of those Gimble thingies that's supposed to make everything smooth. Let me turn off this fan so you can hear me here. Oh God. In the Lance 865 camper here, 2021. It's pretty nice. We'll do one of those videos another day, but today we're gonna focus on this. So let's check it out. So we're gonna have a little more stable iPhone videos for y'all. Got our handy dandy. Oop, don't need our snore strips yet. Husky knife. Neither of these companies are official sponsors yet. Thanks to Pyrotech Racing for everything you do off-road, as they are one of our sponsors. As well as UTV Obsessions out of Medford, Oregon, for all your UTV parts. They're having a Cyber Monday sale right now for y'all, so make sure to check out their website, utvobsessions.com. And Pyrotech Racing for all your safety gear and fuel cell needs. Now let's get into this DJ here. See what it's all about. Oh, dear Lord. Sketchy. Master every shot. Apparently that means it's gonna work good. It's gonna work good, folks. Don't need that anymore. But here we go. Let's see if we can't break this thing within the first 5 minutes. Oh, dear Lord. Dear Lordy, Lordy. Alright, how do you, probably should have read the instructions. Hey, they're right there. Alright, so first, there's a button. Apparently this is all electronic. So fancy. It's even got a thing for a tripod. Handy dandy, would you look at that? Just look at it. Oh, there's more pieces. There's the rest of it. Makes a little more sense now. Look at that. Oh, that's a little aggressive. Little tripod action there. Whoa! There's probably much more certified people to be doing this than me, but, you know, gotta figure it out one way or another, eh? How do these tighten up? Seems kind of chintzy. I guess it goes like that. So there's only one setting on the tripod, either out or not out. Here's the magnet for the phone. It's pretty sweet. Snap that thing on there and connect this whole unit. There's the charger and the riser pad. So, oh, look at that. There's a little cloth case it comes with. So handy dandy. So anyways, that's a DJI OM 5 motion sensor. I'll let you know how it works. It's supposed to be pretty sweet. There's some pictures of some people using it on the beach. So we'll see how it works up in the mountains. See you guys on the trails. Take care. God bless.